coming to exercise 8.6. Exercise 8.6 from decimals. Okay, welcome. So we have done till exercise 8.5 and this is the last chapter, last exercise from decimals in CRT. Come to the first question. This deals with subtractions. The process is the same. When I am supposed to subtract rupees 18, so the question is subtract rupees 18.25 from rupees 20.75. Right. So in this case, which from will come on the top? So rupees 20.75 minus rupees 18.25. Now minus it 0, 5, 2. So it is rupees 2.50. Okay. Now this is A. Coming to B. Subtract 202.54 from 250. So 250 minus 202.54. Because there's nothing after decimal, I've placed 0. 4, 6, 4, 27, 1, 4. So 47.46. Next, C. Rupees 5.36 from rupees 8.40. Rupees 8.40 minus rupees 5.36. So 4, 0, 3 point, rupees 3.04. Next, question number D. Coming to question number D. So D is subtract 2.051 kilometer from 5.206 kilometer. So 5.206 kilometer minus 2.051 kilometer. So that is how much? 5 minus 5, 1.3.155 kilometer. Okay. Next, E. Question number E. It is subtract 0.314 kg from 2.107 kg. 2.107 kg minus 0.314 kg. So that is how much? 4, 3, 1. And this becomes 1. So 0. This is 0 I have written. So here 1. Here 1 goes 10. 7. 1.703 kg. Okay. Now coming to question number 2. I will be doing it here too because it's very direct. First one, if you see, it is directly given 9.756 minus 6.28. 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 7, 21, 3, 4, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 3.76. B, 21.05 minus 15.27. 7, how much 15? 8. Okay, 3, 7, 6, 5, 5.78. Okay, next, C. So C is 18.5 minus 18.5 minus 6.79. 6.79. You will place a 0 on the top. So 9, 1, 8, 7, 15, 7, 8, 11.71. D. It is 11.6 minus 9.847. So whenever you see that decimal places are unequal, you will put zeros to the right. 3, 5, 9, 6, 9, 7, 16, 10, 11, 1.753. Okay. Next, coming to question number 3. What does question number 3 says? Raju bought a book for rupees 35.65. He gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. So, amount Raju gave is equal to how much? Rupees 50. And price of book is how much? Price of book is rupees 35.65. So, how much he is getting back? So, amount he got back is, I will subtract. So 5, 6 and 7, 3, 10, 6, 4, 5. Rupees 14.35. Okay, next, coming to question number 4. Rani had rupees 18.50. So, amount Rani had is equal to rupees 18.50. She bought one ice cream for rupees 11.57. So price of ice cream, what is the price of ice cream? Price of ice cream is equal to rupees 11.75. So how much money does she has now? So amount left is equal to how much? What will you do? You will minus. Okay. 8, 7, 15 to 6.75. So rupees 6.75. Okay. Next question number 5. Tina had 20 meter 5 centimeter long cloth. So length of cloth Tina had is equal to 20 meter 5 centimeter. So always convert it. So 20 point meter to centimeter is by 100. So 2 decimal places 0.5 meters. Then she cut 4 meter 50 centimeter cloth. Length of cloth cut is equal to how much? 4 meter 50 centimeter. 4 meter 50 centimeter. So it is 4.50 meter. So length of cloth left is how much? Okay, length of cloth left is, you will have to minus it. When you minus it, what will you get? 5. Then here 10, 5 decimal 5, 15.55 meters. Question number 6. Okay, question number 6. Namita travels 20 kilometers 50 meters every day. So total distance Namita travels is how much? So I will write total distance. Total distance traveled. What is the total distance traveled? That is equal to 20 kilometer 50 meter. Okay. Out of this, she travels 10 kilometer 200 meter by bus. So distance traveled by bus is equal to 10 kilometer 200 meters. And the rest by auto. So, okay, converted 2.050 kilometer. And this is equal to 10.200 kilometer. Okay. So, distance traveled by auto is how much? I will write it, rewrite it here and minus it, okay? For my ease or for your ease of understanding. So, kilometer comes down as it is 0.589. 9.850 kilometer. 7th question. The last question of decimals as it is. Akash weighing 10 kg. So, total weight of vegetables. kg. So, I will write 10.000 kg. Okay, next. Out of this, 3 kg 500 grams is onion. So, what is weight of onion? Weight of onion is 3 kg 500 grams. That is 3.500 kg. Next, we have weight of tomato. Tomatoes is equal to how much? 2 kg 75 gram. 2 kg 75 gram. So, 2.075 kg. And the rest are potatoes. So, what is weight of potato? So, I need to find the weight of potato. Okay. So, weight of potato is equal to how much? So, you see, this is the total vegetables he has. This is 10 kg. From here, this is onions 3.5 kg. Okay, this is onions. Fine. And these are tomatoes. Tomatoes are 2.75 kg. And the rest he has potato. Now, I need to find the amount of potato. So, what will I do? From 10, I will minus both of them. So, I will sum this and then minus it from 10. So, what am I doing? 10 minus, I am putting a bracket, 3.500 kg plus 2.075 kg. Okay. Now, solve it. How will I solve it? First, I will keep 10 as it is. 10 as it is minus, I will solve this. For that, I will draw a small rough column. 3.500 plus 2.075. How much is it? 5.575. So, 10 minus 5.575. So, that is equal to 10.000 minus 5.575. So, how much is it? 5, 10, 4 point so much, 4.425 kg. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.